Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert Word file to JPG. So the first step you need to do is to open Word and select the text and click on copy. Then you need to go on to the paste option, click on paste special, and here you need to select picture enhanced meta file. Okay, and come here, select that and click on save as picture, select desktop, and here you need to select portable network graphics, that is PNG, and I'm going to name it picture 1 and click on save. And let me show you, here you can see now it is a PNG. So here you can see show more options, properties, and here you can see. So this is the process that you need to follow to convert a Word file to JPG. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.